If you are seeing this, the breach has occurred. Do not trust the feed. They are listening.
This video is fake. And the scary part? Most people wouldn't even know. In 2026, one deepfake video is enough to destroy a creator's reputation overnight. Creators upload hours of clean training data every week. iPodcasts, shorts, live streams.
I just wanted to come on here and say how truly sorry I am for what happened. I know I messed up, and I promise to do better.
A fake apology. A fake opinion. And the internet reacts before the truth does. Humans blink emotionally. AI blinks mathematically. AI can copy your voice, but it struggles with emotional timing.
I never really thought about it that way before. It's complicated, trying to balance everything.
If you want to spot a deepfake, don't look at the whole face. Focus on the lips.
The data clearly indicates a significant shift in market trends, requiring immediate restructuring of our logistical framework to maintain competitive advantage in the sector.
B, P, M sounds. That's where deepfakes usually break. Protection starts before anything goes viral. Creators who prepare stay in control.
Before we begin, I want to take a moment to address the recent issues and verify that I am taking full responsibility.
Claim your official accounts. Pin a verification video. Silence helps fakes spread.
Ultimately, the only legacy that matters is the impact we have on others. And that, I believe, is the truest measure of success.
AI is powerful, but trust is still human. Share this with someone who needs it, who not.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this.